My dear children, I welcome all of you to this teleteaching program on English. Today, we have a very nice topic. The name of the topic is cats. It belongs to lesson 3. It is in page number 47 of your My English book. Okay, children? But before going to the topic, I want to present you a very interesting riddle. ମୁଁ ତୁମମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ riddleଟି ଆଣିଛି. Okay, so let us listen the riddle and try to answer it. Okay, children. So we will go to the riddle. I am a 3-letter word. I am first in cup, second in bag, and third in kit. Who am I? So again, ମୁଁ ଗୋଟିଏ 3 ଅକ୍ଷର ବିଶିଷ୍ଟ ଶବ୍ଦ. Okay, I am a 3-letter word. I am first in cup, okay, second in bag, and third in kit. Who am I? So you think over it and try to answer. Okay, okay, very good. Who can say? Raise your hands. Okay, okay, okay. Bandita, you. Oh, you can say. Very good. You stand up and tell. Oh, oh, cat. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, nice answer. Excellent, excellent. So actually, the answer to the riddle is cat. Is not it? देखो पिले केमती cat है I am first. I am a 3-letter word. Okay. So in cat you have 3 letters. नहीं C A and T. 3 letter रही. अच्छा. I am first in cup. Cup रो प्रथम letter किए से C. तो C आसी वाला. Second in bag. मु bag रे मु अच्छी second रे. Second किए अच्छी A अच्छी. So A आसी वाला. C A आसी वाला. Then third in kit. Kit जो शब्दटी तार थर्ड लेटर किए से ना टी. तेणु सी ए थिला एबे टी आसीगला. तेणु सो वी गॉट कैट. ओके चिल्ड्रेन. सो डिड यू एंजॉय इट? ओके, वेरी गुड. सो देर आर so many riddles in the next classes. We will have some more riddles. Okay. So now we will go to the topic. The name of the topic is cats. Do you know where cats sleep? Do you know? Okay, okay. Where cats sleep? Achha. Inside our home. Is not it? Achha. Now you listen the poem attentively. Okay. Achha. Children, do you have pet cat? Okay, okay, okay. We all have cats as pet in our houses. So okay. Today we will see where cats sleep. Where cats sleep. So जो बिराड़ी माने कोड सब सुनती. आम घर जो बिराड़ी को आम पेट कैट को जो रखू से कौ कौ स्थान सब सुनती है. यही जो पोएमटी अच्छी कैट बाबद में ये आम बुझीजा कैट मैंने सब कौटी सुनती. सो आस पोएमटी को भल भाव में देखा. ओके. Cat sleep anywhere on the table on the chair. Cat sleep anywhere on the table on the chair. Top of piano, window lace in the middle on the edge. Top of piano, window lace in the middle on the edge. Open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do. Fitted in a cardboard box in the cupboard with her frocks. Fitted in a cardboard box in the cupboard with her frocks. Anywhere they don't care, cats sleep anywhere. Anywhere they don't care, cats sleep anywhere. So children, now you recite with me. Okay. Cat sleep anywhere on the table on the chair. Cat sleep anywhere on the table on the chair. Cat sleep anywhere on the table on the chair. Okay. Top of piano, window lace in the middle on the edge. Top of piano, window lace in the middle on the edge. Top of piano, window lace in the middle on the edge. Open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do. Open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do. Open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do. fitted in a cardboard box in the cupboard with your frocks, fitted in a cardboard box in the cupboard with your frocks, fitted in a cardboard box in the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere they don't care, anywhere they don't care, cats sleep anywhere, anywhere they don't care, cats sleep anywhere. Okay students, now we will go in detail, आमे विस्तृत भाव में देखा ये विषयटी. ओके, सो कैट स्लीप एनीवेयर अंडर टेबल ऑन द चेयर. देख पे कैट स्लीप एनीवेयर, कैट जेकोसी जगह कैट भी शुईपर आम देखीचे नहीं कि आम घर मानक आम देखुचे कैट्स माने जेकोसी जगह रहीपर. अच्छा, प्रथम कौन अच्छी कैट स्लीप एनीवेयर अंडर टेबल ऑन द चेयर. कैट्स माने टेबल तले रहीपर आउ चेयर उपर रहीपर. तुम छवि देखिपार. ओके, सो कैट स्लीप एनीवेयर अंडर टेबल ऑन द चेयर. ओके, देन आउ कौट जगह रहीपर कैट माने आउ कौट शुईपर. टॉप ऑफ पियानो विंडो लेज इन द मिडिल ऑन द एज. ओके, कैट माने ए देख छवि टॉप ऑफ पियानो विंडो लेज, आमर जो पियानो जो म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट जान देखीच तुम मैंने. ओके ओके, हाँ, जो पियानो जो आमर म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट ता ऊपर शुईपर से मैंने बा शुई पड़ती. आउ विंडो लेज रे झरकार जो बेसटा थाए से झरका बेस रे से शुई पारती. आ इन द मिडिल ऑन द एज, ता से जो झरका जो एज बा विंडो लेज रो मिडिल रे बा ता एज रे मध्य से माने शुई पारे. सो आम कौन जानले ताले ना टॉप कैट्स कैन स्लीप कोठी ना टॉप ऑफ ए पियान विंडो लेज इन द मिडिल ऑन द एज. देन व्हिच आर द अदर प्लेसेस वेयर कैट स्लीप. आस देखा आउ को अन्य जगह मान के शुई पारती. ओपन ड्रॉयर एम्प्टी शू एनी बॉडीज लैप विल डू. कौन पिले ना ओपन ड्रॉयर एम्प्टी शू एनी बॉडीज लैप विल डू. देख पिला माने से माने ओपन ड्रॉयर रे मध्य पशि जाती नहीं कि आम घर मानक जो टेबल जो ड्रॉयर थाए बेले बेले सेटा जदि खोला थिबो ता भितर पशिक शुई पड़ती नहीं कि. तापर कोठी ना एम्प्टी शू, शू देखुच आमर शू भितर मध्य बेले बेले छोट बिराड़ी पशि जाती. बिराड़ी छुआ शू भितर मध्य शुई पड़ती नहीं. ताले आम कौन जानले ना ना ओपन ड्रॉयर एम्प्टी शू एनी बॉडीज लैप विल डू. एनी बॉडीज लैप विल डू बेले बेले आम कोଳରେ मध्य शुई पड़ती. लैप माने कौन कोଳ, लैप माने कोଳ. ओके, सो ओपन ड्रॉयर बिराड़ी मैंने शुई पड़ती. एम्प्टी शू भितर शुई पड़ती. एनी बॉडीज लैप विल डू एवं आम जेकोसी लोकर कोଳରେ मध्य से शुई पड़ती नहीं कि. अच्छा, तुम्हें केबे बिराड़ी की कोଳରେ शुआईच. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ, से तुमको कामुड़े कि ना बिराड़ी केबे कामुड़ेनी ना. पोषा बिराड़ी सी जेहेतु सी आमको कामुड़े नहीं नहीं पिले. ओके, वेरी गुड. देन विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज फिटेड इन ए कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स इन द कपबोर्ड विथ योर फ्रॉक्स. बेले बेले कौन हम फ्रॉक्स उपर मध्य से माने शुई पड़ती. किए से द कैट्स स्लीप इन फ्रॉक्स. आउ कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स मध्य रही जाती, कपबोर्ड रे मध्य रही जाती. कपबोर्ड देखुच जो थाक होगी अच्छी आलमीरा टाइप रो देखुच बोले से बिराटी अच्छी से कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स भितर मध्य कौन ये जो कपबोर्ड भितर बिराटी मैंने शुई पारती एवं कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स रे मध्य रही जाती. देखुच ऊपर कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स अच्छी ता भितर बिराटी केमती शुईची. तापरे विथ योर फ्रॉक्स से माने आम फ्रॉक्स रे लुगापाटा ऊपर मध्य शुई पड़ती. तेणु आम जानले कि जे कैट्स कैन स्लीप केमती ना फिटेड इन ए कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स. ओके, अच्छा, इन द कपबोर्ड विथ योर फ्रॉक्स. ओके चिल्ड्रन, ओके, वेरी गुड. देन एनीवेयर दे डोंट केयर, कैट स्लीप एनीवेयर. कैट बा बिराड़ी माने जेकोसी ये शुई पारे. एनीवेयर दे डोंट केयर, जेकोसी स्थान से शुई पारे. एनीवेयर दे डोंट केयर, कैट स्लीप एनीवेयर. तांकर खातिर न थाए, भय किसी न थाए. आम जो घरे जो पोषा बिराड़ी मान रखीचे द पेट कैट्स दे डोंट हाव एनी फियर. ओके, सी कौ जगार शोबे कौन ना सी सेमती किसी ये ना इच्छा जो हम से जापे बुझे नहीं. दे एनीवेयर दे डोंट केयर, एनीवेयर माने जेकोसी स्थान. दे डोंट केयर, कैट स्लीप एनीवेयर. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, तेणु आम जानिले जे से माने कौ कौ जगार रहीपर. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, देन एगेन विल गो टू द pictures where the cats sleep. Okay. So, now listen, watch and see, watch and listen. Okay, children, carefully you watch and listen. Cats sleep anywhere, under table, on the chair. Cats sleep anywhere, under table, on the chair. Again you listen and watch the pictures. Top of piano, window ledge, in the middle, on the edge. Top of piano, window ledge, in the middle, on the edge. Then again, open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do. Open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do. Okay. Then fitted in a cardboard box, in the cupboard with your frocks. Fitted in a cardboard box, in the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere they don't care, cats sleep anywhere. Anywhere they don't care, cats sleep anywhere. So, students, you knew, आमे जानिले where cats can sleep, in which places cats can sleep in our home. आम घरे क्यों को स्थान मानकरे cats माने सोई परिबे बा सोया पे पसंद करती, we knew it. Okay, children. So, now we will go to some activity or questions based on the topic. এই टॉपिक उपरे पर्यवसित केतोटी प्रश्न उत्तर आमे आलोचना करिया. ओके चिल्ड्रन. सो नाउ you listen the question and try to answer it. Okay. What is the poem about? What is the poem about? Okay children. What is the poem about? Who can say? Anybody who can say? Ramo, you can say. Okay. Oh, the poem is about cats. Very good. The poem is about cats. Okay. So, the answer to the first question, that is what is the poem about? The answer is the poem is about cats. Very good. Thank you very much. You sit. Then question number 2. In question number 2, we have the poem tells us about many places where cats sleep. Okay. The poem tells us about many places where cats can sleep. Okay. How many places are there? How many places are there? तुम गणिबो केतरा प्लेस गणि परिबो? There are 10 places. There are 10 places. How? देखिबा ताले 10 places केम देछि? देखो ताले रहिला गोटे under table, then under chair, then top of piano, तापरे window ledge. Okay. Then open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap, तापरे रहिला fitted in a cardboard box, in the cupboard, on the frocks. Okay. तो एमती ये सब गुणी को आम गणला पर आम पाइले देर आर 10 places where cats can sleep. There are 10 places where cats can sleep. Okay children. So, we will move to the next question, that is question number 3. In question number 3, we have what are these places? Okay. What are these places? These places are under the table, on the chair, top of piano, window ledge, open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap, cardboard box, cupboard and frocks. So, then the next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 is, why do cats sleep in many places? Why do cats sleep in many places? Okay. Cats sleep in many places because they don't care. Because they don't care. Okay children. Okay, very much. So, okay children, in question number 4, we know that cats sleep in many places. Question number 4, we have why do cats sleep in many places? Kahinki se many places are सोई पड़ती. Now, cats sleep in many places because they don't care. Because they don't care. Okay. So, the last question is, do you love cats? Do you love cats? Why? Yes, we love cats because they live in our homes as pets. आमे कैट मान को ये जो भल पाऊ because they live in our homes as pets. Okay children. So the next activity on this topic is fill in the blanks choosing the alternatives. Fill in the blanks choosing the alternatives. In under each question there are 4 alternatives. You read the questions carefully. Acha. Cat sleep dash. Cat sleep dash in the pond, in the sky, anywhere, in the river. Okay. Which is the right option? Oh, anywhere. Okay, okay. So it is anywhere. We can answer like this: cat sleep anywhere. Then we come to second. Cats dash. Care anybody, obey everybody, don't care anybody, follow everybody. What is the right option? The right option is the cats don't care anybody. Cats don't care anybody. Okay, very good. The next one is they in the last stanza is used for dash. They in the last stanza is used for dash. कहाँ पे व्यवहार है दे ना cats, rats, dogs or bats? Oh, the answer is A, that is cats. Okay, very good. So they in the last stanza is used for cats. Then there is another activity. It is a matching activity. Matching activity. Under A we have some words, and under B there are some words. We have to match the right word under A with its right word under B by drawing lines. Okay, गार टाणी right word सहित मिलेगा. Okay. So under A रहा empty, तापर रहा cardboard, open, then window. Okay. Under B there is a lace, there is drawer, there is shoe, and there is box. Achha. So the answer maybe the answer is empty shoe. Okay, empty shoe, cardboard, box, open, drawer, window, lace. Window, lace. We can say like this: empty shoes, cardboard box, open drawer, and a window lace. So it is finished. Then there are some more activities, and the next one is a gap filling activity. Fill in the blanks with suitable words choosing from brackets. That is, in the bracket we have with, in, to, and a for. आमर बंधुनी मध्य ब्राकेट रही with रही, in अच्छी, to अच्छी, and for अच्छी. एवं 5टी प्रश्न अच्छी. बुझला ब्राकेट रही 4टी वर्ड. देयर आर 4 वर्ड्स इन द ब्राकेट एंड देयर आर 5 क्वेश्चंस. ओके, वी हैव टू सप्लाई द राइट वर्ड इन द राइट ब्लैंक. ओके, द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज आई लिव डैश माय फैमिली. आई लिव डैश माय फैमिली. आई लिव. अच्छा, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, माय पेरेंट्स एंड माय यंगर ब्रदर लिव डैश मी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, माय फादर इज ए क्लर्क. He works dash his office. Then question number 4, my mother is a housewife. She cooks food dash us. Then the last question is my sister goes dash school. Acha. Okay children, we will go to the answers. Okay. So the answer for question number 1 is with. That is, the full sentence will be like this: I live with my family. I live with my family. Okay. The answer to question number 2 is also with. Okay. And the full sentence will be like this: my parents and my younger brother live with me. Okay. My parents and my younger brother live with me. Okay. The answer to question number 3 is in. The answer to question number 3 is in. Okay children, the full sentence will be like this: my father is a clerk, he works in his office. Okay. Then the number 4 will be like this: my brother is a housewife, she cooks food for us. So, the answer is 4. Okay. The last one, that is the fifth. My sister goes to school every day. My sister goes to school every day. So, the answer is 2. Okay, children. So, actually all the activities are completed. Now, there is very interesting thing for you. Interesting. That means, we will finish the poem like this. Cats sleep. तो तले रही कौन पिला माने cats sleep. तुम कौन कहबे ताले anywhere. आमे वाइंड अप करबा ताकू मु फर्स्ट लाइन कहबी तुम सेकंड लाइन कहबो. Cats sleep. Okay. Under table. Okay. Top of piano. Okay. In the middle. Okay. Open drawer. Very good. Anybody's. Okay. Fitted in a, in the cupboard, anywhere. Okay. Then we will go to the beginning. The cat sleep anywhere, under table, on the chair, top of piano, window ledge, in the middle, on the edge. Open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do. Fitted in a cardboard box in the cupboard with her frogs. Anywhere, they don't care, cats sleep anywhere. Okay, children, thank you very much. You might have enjoyed the text. Okay, I will see you again. Thank you very much.